Your Squarespace site is losing work to AI answers you never get to see. Somebody asked a question, something answered it, 4 businesses got named. You were not one of them, and nothing told you it happened. So a designer I know went looking for the fix. What she found was a whole industry selling her a trick that does not work. Google has actually written down what does work. It is duller than the trick, and it is 5 jobs. First, the phrase everyone is using, an AI SEO agent. What is it really? It is not a chat window. A chat window forgets you. Ask it about your site today, ask again next month, and it starts from nothing both times. An agent is different in one boring way. It runs on a schedule against your real site, and it remembers what it told you last time. That is the whole idea. Same job every week without you remembering to ask. Now, most tools that call themselves AI agents for SEO are built for any website at all. This one is not. Everything after this is Squarespace only. Here is what changed, and it is not what people tell you. Google's AI answers now reach about 2.5 billion people. ChatGPT is at about 1 billion every month. But the number is not the interesting part. This is. When you ask one of these things a question, it does not run one search. It runs several. Google calls that query fan out. One question becomes many smaller ones across the subtopics of what you asked. And here is why a designer should care. Google says fanning out lets them show a wider and more diverse set of links than a normal search. So it is not one page fighting for one spot anymore. It is your whole site, page by page, being read for lots of small questions at once, which means the pages you forgot about are suddenly in play. So people started selling a fix for that. You have seen the ads. Pay us and we will get you into AI answers. It has a name now, 2 names, Answer Engine Optimization, Generative Engine Optimization. Google wrote about this directly. Their words, many suggested hacks aren't effective or supported by how Google search actually works. And on whether AI answers need some special new setup, Google's documentation says this: there are no additional technical requirements. Nothing new to install, no secret schema. The AI answers are built on the same search index and the same ranking systems as the normal results.
So the trick was never the answer. The 5 jobs are. If you hired a Squarespace SEO expert tomorrow, this is what you would be paying them to do every single week. Not once, every week. 1. Check that 2 of your own pages are not chasing the same search. When they are, Google cannot tell which one to show, so it often shows neither. 2. Keep publishing. Most sites stop in March, and the content plan quietly dies with them. 3. Keep the Google Business Profile current. Hours, services, photos, description. It drifts, and the map results notice. 4. Answer your reviews. All of them, in your voice, within a day or so. 5. Decide what to write next, based on what people are actually searching for, not on a guess. None of that is hard. You know all of it already. That is the problem. It is not hard, it is just never finished, and it resets every month on every site you run. Do that across 12 client sites and tell me which hour of your week it lives in. So SEOSpace built one agent for each of those 5 jobs and pointed them at your site on a schedule. It is called Orbit. Keyword Assist reads every page and scores it for keyword strength, search intent, and whether the page actually matches what the searcher wanted. It flags the pages competing with each other, suggests a stronger alternative, and hands back the title and the metadata already written. Blog generation takes your business once and comes back with 10 blueprints. Not 10 titles, 10 actual angles you can argue with. Local SEO connects your Google Business Profile and scores 8 parts of it out of 100. Information, description, categories, attributes, services, photos, reviews, and posts. Then it ranks the gaps by what will actually move you. Review automation replies to your Google reviews in your voice. You pick one of 6 tones, you write the rules once, and it knows when to stop. 1- and 2-star reviews get held for a human by default, and you keep a list of words it must never use. Content strategy reads your whole site and tells you what you have not covered, with the search volume, the difficulty, and the intent next to it. Send one straight to blog generation or park it. Now, the part most tools will not tell you, and the reason I would trust this one on a client site. 4 of those 5 agents do not touch your Squarespace site. They cannot.
Squarespace does not open an API for changing page content or meta tags. Go and look. There is commerce, there is code injection, there are webhooks and a reseller API. There is nothing that writes your page copy. So no tool can safely write to your pages. Not this one, not any of them. What Orbit does is everything up to that line. It writes the finished text and hands it to you. Review automation is the exception, and only because it works on your Google business profile, which is not your Squarespace site at all. On a client site, that line is the whole thing. You want the work done. You do not want something rewriting a page you built while you are asleep. One more honest thing. Do not chase a perfect score. 100 out of 100 does not buy you traffic. Clean foundation, current content, real answers. That is the job. So here is what a week actually looks like. Do not check any of this daily. Search engines and map results do not update that fast, and you will drive yourself mad. Set your re-audit for 1 day a week. Friday works. Every agent runs off that same audit, so they all report together. Monday, you open a queue instead of a dashboard. Not a chart telling you to try harder. A list of finished work with the reasoning attached. You approve, you edit, or you bin it. And it remembers the call you made. That is the difference between paying for an agency and having a routine. 12 sites, 1 Friday, and the thing you show at the monthly call is work that got done. Orbit goes live on August 15th. If you are on a paid SEOSpace plan, the agents appear in your dashboard that day. Everything I just showed you sits on the SEO plugin that more than 35,000 Squarespace users already run. 5 jobs, 1 Friday, your call on every single one.